Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to calculate your GPA. So what I've made here is a calculator. I'm going to attach a link. All you're going to do is click on the link, bring you to this website here, and then you can just save a copy and then edit it yourself. Or you can make it yourself. It's not super complicated. Basically just these cells multiply together, the credit and the grade point, and then the credit gets totaled up here, and then your GPA is just the sums divided out. But anyways, how to use this. So what you're going to do is go into your schedule and get each of your courses, and you're just going to copy and paste them in. So I'll be doing this with my courses. And basically the last digit, so for your case, your math 1904, the last number is how many credits it's worth. In this case we have 05, which means it'd be worth 5 credits. And the number of credits, basically that means you have, like for math 1904, that means you have 4 hours of it a week, so that's worth, it's weighted at 4 credits. So I'm going to just go through my schedule, then I have my own math, 1903, which means it's worth 3 credits. And then I got a different instrumentation course. And that's worth 5 credits. And then I got math, and I have a circuits course, and this one, the last digit's a 5, so it's worth 5 credits. And then finally I have this course here. Last digit is a 4, which means it's worth 4. And if you run out, you can just leave it blank and just make sure you just delete the cells, and then it'll be fine. As long as there's a 0 here, it's fine. So then just enter some random grades, so like do a 50 here, 60 here, 70 here, 80 here. Say we got a 95 here, just make some stuff up. And then so we go to this chart here. So I have a 50, so 50 to 59 is a D, and that's worth a 1. Then we have a 60 here, 60 to 62 is worth a 1.7. Then a 70, go to this chart, 70 to 72 is a 2.7. And say you had like a 69.6 or a 69.5, it would be rounded up. So sorry, the 70 is a 2.7. 80 would be an A minus, which is a 3.5. And a 95, it's above 94, so that would be a 4.0. And then there you go, it calculated our GPA at a 2.6. So all you need to do is put in your own courses here, enter the credits based on the last number in your course code, or by adding up your sum, or sorry, by adding up the total number of hours you have that class per week. You enter in your credits, and then you put in your grade points, and then it will calculate your GPA. One thing you can do with this, like say you had a 65 or like a 66. What you could do is like, oh, I'm really close to getting up to a C plus, like I'm close to getting a 67. So if you were to put a little bit more effort in that class, you could make a jump, which would increase your GPA. That's all I have for this. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.